Now, viewers, in the last 48 hours, BJP and TMC sparred over a series of issues, be it the attack on NIA in East Mednipur in Bengal or the violence faced by BJP MP Lokit Chatterjee or Mamata Banerjee's controversial comment on Ram Navami. But things escalated dramatically when the political fight reached the national capital. Look at these visuals on your screens, viewers. This is a 10-member delegation of TMC announced a dharna outside ED office after they met a full bench of the poll panel in the afternoon. TMC's demand: change of guard in central agencies like ED, NIA, CBI and Income Tax Department. TMC further claimed they were leading a peaceful dharna when the Delhi police swooped in and detained them. All this after police repeatedly requested them to stop the dharna midway and move away.
अच्छा, आपको पता है हम अभी आपको बोले थे कि सीबीआई, ईडी, एनआईए और इनकम टैक्स की चीफ को बदलना चाहिए। ये अपील हमने इलेक्शन कमीशन के पास किया और इसी मांग पर हम 24 आवर पीसफुल धरना पर इधर बैठे हुए हैं। शांतिपूर्ण धरना अवस्थान पर हम इधर बैठे हुए हैं। और आपको पता है इधर बेवजह अमित शाह की पुलिस, मोदी बाबू की पुलिस, दिल्ली की पुलिस आके हमको मना कर रहे।
Members of the TMC delegation are currently sitting outside on a dharna right outside the election commission. On my visuals, in my visuals, you can also see that the police is trying to urge them to move away from here. This is the delegation which is led by Derek O'Brien. He is currently sitting here. They have been stating that the NIA and the central agencies have been unjust to them, and also West Bengal Chief Minister has been troubled with all with the deliberations that the central government has made. Currently also you can see all of them are present here. In fact, there's a police bus also on the spot here, and in a few moments from now we will be expecting that the police might pick them up, but also the police has been urging them to leave. The clash is that they have been stating that the NIA went inside and assaulted several people as well. However, there something else also took place.
Now, TMC MPs Derek O'Brien, Dola Sen, Saket Gokhale, Santanu Sen and Sagrika Ghosh were amongst the MPs from TMC who were leading the protest. They raised slogans like Modi Shahi Nahi Chalegi and BJP Hatao, Desh Bachao. Watch how the drama unfolded.
Desh Bachao! Desh Bachao! ये मोदी शाही नहीं चलेगी, ये दादागिरी नहीं चलेगी, मोदी शाही नहीं चलेगी, ये हिटलर शाही नहीं चलेगी, मोदी शाही नहीं चलेगी, हिटलर शाही नहीं चलेगी।
Now, detained TMC MPs expressed their anger, calling it a peaceful protest. TMC accused BJP of playing old tactics against opposition. TMC further alleged that it was an unlawful detention on centre's orders. Listen in to some TMC's reactions.
We, the 10 MPs and ex-MPs of the Trinamool Congress, were engaging in a peaceful protest outside the Election Commission to demand the removal of the heads of CBI, IT, NIA and ED. We were picked up forcefully by the police. We were dragged on the ground. Some of us fell down. Ms. Dola Sen has had leg injury. She was pushed around. We have now been kept in the bus here in front of Mandir Marg police station, and the cops are telling us that they will take us to another police station. We don't know what the plan is. We are waiting here in the bus.
हम सिटिंग एमपी हैं, हम आपको एक बात बता रहे हैं। आपने मंदिर मार्ग कहा, हम शांतिपूर्ण आपके साथ आए। आप अभी हमें किसी अननोन लोकेशन पे हमारी मर्जी के खिलाफ अनलॉफुल डिटेंशन में रखे हैं। अभी किसके ऑर्डर पे कर रहे हैं हमें पता नहीं। ये ऑर्डर होम मिनिस्टर ने दिया है, ये ऑर्डर किसी और ने दिया है हमें पता नहीं, लेकिन आप हमें अनलॉफुली डिटेन करके लाए हैं। और अगर हमें पता नहीं चलता तो आप हमें कहीं 2 घंटे दूर कहीं और लेके जा रहे थे, हमें झूठ बोल के कि मंदिर मार्ग ले जा रहे हैं। यह दिल्ली पुलिस की इलेक्शन के टाइम पे दशा है। ये इलेक्शन कमीशन ने आपको ऑर्डर नहीं दिया है, ये आपको सरकार के ऑर्डर पे, रूलिंग पार्टी के ऑर्डर पे आप ये सब कर रहे हैं।
Police station which has no jurisdiction, which has nothing to do with us. We were doing a peaceful protest dharna just to keep our voice, the voice of democracy, the voice of democracy.
Now, these are the scathing allegations that the TMC is making on the central agencies, that they are working on the behest of the Bharatiya Janata Party and the central government under the Modi leadership. Now, this is what the charge by the TMC is. First, that they want a change in guard in agencies like ED, CBI and NIA, as they claim that they are all working to just help the BJP. And the charge too is that this is just being done ahead of polls so that the BJP could favor and could garner more votes in West Bengal polls. And that is why these allegations are being leveled by the TMC against BJP. Now, we have some more breaking inputs coming in. Well, this day 2 of TMC protest is today, and the agency's sources say Delhi police freed TMC netas who were detained. Police sources also tell us that TMC netas were freed. However, they still continued their protest. And for more on this, we will be shortly joined by Priyanka, and Priyanka is here. Priyanka, tell us exactly what the police sources are telling us, because the TMC claims that they were kidnapped by Delhi police and they were misled by the police.
Yeah, that was the statement which came out from Derek O'Brien, who said that we have been kidnapped, but they were under the protection of the Delhi police when they started protesting, and they started on dharna right outside the Election Commission of India. It was bound to happen that these leaders would be detained. Till late evening, they were kept at the Mandir Marg police station. What sources have been suggesting that the member of parliaments were told to go back home, but they prefer to stay back. And what they have told to police that by 9 a.m. they will be going out. So high drama continued at Mandir Marg police station overnight, where the senior leaders of the TMC as well as the member of parliament from Lok Sabha were sitting on the protest overnight.
Right. Thank you so much, Priyank, for giving us the latest inputs. So, Delhi police sources have clarified that these netas were detained but later freed, and hence after this, the TMC has still been alleging that they were forcefully detained. They were illegally detained by Delhi police, and they also claim that the TMC has also claimed that the Delhi police personnel are working on the instructions of the BJP government and not EC. They also demand that the Election Commission should be made aware of all these allegations that are being leveled by the TMC, and a fair probe should be done into how they were detained, why were they not allowed to protest. Well, all this after Saket Gokhale raised question over the appointment of the NIA DG, which says happened on March 26 after the election announcement. And the TMC is asking whether the ECI was informed about the appointment of IPS officer Sadanand Date, who was awarded for his bravery during the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks. TMC also wrote a letter to the Election Commission of India complaining NIA-BJP collusion. The letter stated that the BJP leader Jitendra Tiwari met NIA SP at his apartment on March 26 evening and handed over a list of TMC leaders who are to be arrested by the NIA just ahead of elections.